Dear students, Sridhar CC is coming up with online batch 10. This is for English medium students. This batch starts from 8th February onwards. For those people who are preparing for competitive examinations like bank exams, insurance exams, this course is useful. And the most important thing, those who want to learn everything in English medium, online batch 10 is most useful batch for you. Now, before going to batch 10 details, I would like to just discuss about last 2 years Sridhar CCE success journey. In 2019, 3,599 final selections are there from Sridhar CCE, out of which 1,022 members selected for IBPS clerk final selections, 647 final selections from SBI clerk, and here Sridhar CC is the single largest coaching center where from only one coaching center 600 above vacancies are grabbed, and we are very proud of our students. And 358 final selections for IBPS RRB PO, 337 final selections in IBPS RRB clerk, 206 LIC ADO final selections, 189 LIC assistant selections, 144 SBI PO, the most prestigious post for many aspirants in India, 139 final selections in IBPS PO. These are all final selections in the year 2019. And in 2020, because of COVID, we have so far completed many preliminary examinations and we are waiting for their results to come. And between the 155 final selections are there in EPFO and then 37 final selections in RRB scale 2. So these are the only two exams where we got final selections. And for many of those exams, we have only preliminary exams results and we are yet to write mains exam. And when it comes to preliminary results, 1612 candidates cleared IBPS clerk, 926 cleared preliminary exams in SBI PO, 3179 IBPS RRB PO, 2179 IBPS RRB clerk. These are not just numbers. You can find each and every student details in our website or our Facebook. We are giving complete crystal clear details about each and every student who cleared the examination. Not many coaching centers will give you result. Not many coaching centers publish their results. Sridhar CC is the only coaching center which is giving clear cut information about each and every notification and their results. Result speaks what we are and what we teach. Result speaks what is our strength. And this course is useful for all IBPS exams like IBPS clerk, PO, SO, RRB assistant, scale 1, SBA PO, clerk, and then SO, RBI assistant, all insurance exams like LIC, UIIC, NICL, United India, and NISCL. Not only that, PGDBF, PG Diploma in Banking and Finance exams, FCA exams, and EPFO exams. So for these courses, for all these examinations, whatever the content that we are giving in batch 10 is useful. So we are going to cover these subjects: reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, current affairs, computer awareness, and then banking awareness. We are dividing the content into two parts. One is basic level and then advanced level. Basic level content is useful to clear the preliminary examination, and advanced level content is useful to clear your mains examination. So content part we are giving for prelims as well as mains. So total it takes 450 hours to cover basic level course and then advanced level course. Before we launch any course, we will give you complete schedule that how we are going to give video explanations or video classes. These are all specially recorded for bank course, and these are all video classes. So to avoid unnecessary hurdles that we face during live session, we prefer video sessions. And when it comes to live session, to discuss examination strategy, to discuss any new models I've introduced in any particular examination, to discuss mains or prelims mock test before 15 to 20 days before the examination. We will come online, and using live session we will discuss the strategy session, and we also discuss test discussions. And explanations and classes completely it will be in English, and the material part we will give you in English medium only. The content that we are going to discuss, whether it is in class or in explanation. Explanation comes in two varieties. One is chapter based test and also mock test. Everything will be in English medium. PDF files we will provide for course, for practice, mock test, and then chapter based test. Every PDF will be available in your download section. As I said, topic wise test will be given to you. Not only topic wise test, we also give you model tests also. Reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, banking awareness, current affairs monthly, and then banking awareness, computer awareness. Whatever subjects that we are teaching, out of which each and every topic, for each and every topic, we are giving you topic wise test to improve your practice. Now, there are two different packages here. One is 6 months validity and the second one is 12 months validity. The major difference is validity period only. Out of that, monthly model test differs, special live classes access differs, and then current affairs classes. If the duration is 6 months validity, you can avail all the facilities that are provided by Sridhar CC, that may be classes, exams, explanations, or special live classes, whatever it is. During your validity period only, you can access all these. And if it is 6 months validity period, material will be given in PDF form, and that will be in download section after login. Every Wednesday we will conduct preliminary examination, and second Sunday, fourth Sunday we will conduct mains examination. This is just to practice yourself. And not only these promised exams, for each and every preliminary examination that you are going to write during these 6 months validity period, 15 to 20 days before the actual examination, we will give you 15 to 20 bonus tests which are not part of this monthly model test. These are promised tests. Every Wednesday you will get, every second Sunday, fourth Sunday you'll get mains access. Apart from this, during your 6 months validity period, whatever the preliminary examination that you write, for that particular exam, we will give you 15 to 20 bonus test and also explanation. Once if you clear your preliminary examination, we will give you mains access also. The videos that are there in batch 10 covers content required for all the subjects in preliminary examination as well as mains examination. But when it comes to practice test, that is mock test, once after clearing preliminary examination, Sridhar CC will take care of complete mains preparation. Whatever mock test that you need for your practice, Sridhar CC will give you for free of cost. Content we have already covered, but practice purpose, whatever the extra practice that you need, once after clearing any preliminary examination, Sridhar CC will be with you and we will take care of it. If you are preparing for PO exam, you clear your prelims, we'll take care of mains. You clear your mains examination, we will give you complete support which is required for interview preparation, and we also conduct mock interviews. And in 12 months program, as I said, major difference is validity period. As you have 1 year time, every Wednesday you can write test, every second Sunday, fourth Sunday you can write mains test. You can access special live classes for 12 months and current affairs discussion for 12 months. Not only that, as I said, bonus test that we are going to give you for free of cost. During this 12 months period, whatever preliminary examination that you write, Sridhar CC will give you 15 to 20 bonus test which are not part of it. Once after clearing prelims, we will take care of mains. Clear your mains, we'll take care of interview if it is PO exam. And for 12 months course validity period, for those people who purchase this package, will also give you printed material and that will be sent to your home. As I said, PDF materials are available in download section. For those people who purchase 12 months validity package, we will also send printed material to their home. Now this is our 10 set printed material. All these 5 are basic course and these 3 are advanced course. For those people who take 12 months validity package, will send printed material, and whoever it is, whether it is a 6 months package or 12 months package, PDF files can be downloaded from download section. For the classes content, practice content, topic wise exams and model test, for each and everything we will give you PDF materials. And when it comes to faculty, senior most faculty from Sridhar CC, Murthy sir and then Naresh sir, they both are extremely senior and their expertise will clear your fear on English language. And if you clearly follow these two faculty classes, it will be easy, and I can say it is a cakewalk to clear your prelims as well as mains exam, especially English section. And reasoning, the most important faculty and the pillars of Sridhar CC for reasoning department, Sasi sir and then Prithvi sir. Their expertise is to simplify the question. So how easy it is to get the logic, how frequently you need to change the logic, and what are logics that can be applied to clear, to solve puzzle test, sitting arrangement, coded inequalities, input and output. Their expertise will definitely help you. And banking, Mobin sir will take classes. Reshma madam will take care of current affairs. And I am Sudhir Chakravarti and I'll take care of quantitative aptitude. So our faculty expertise reflects in getting results. As I said again I want to quote, Sridhar CC is the only organization which is proud to dare to release our students' success. Now those who want to purchase this course, it's going to be a complete English medium batch. Those who want to purchase, open www.sridharcc.com website. On top banner, there will be online course. Click on that, select bank batch 10 and then go for purchase. Once after getting new page, you need to register yourself and with the same details after login, if you can proceed for payment, you are done with the process and you can access online batch 10 class videos. And validity starts from, as I said, from 8th February onwards, online batch 10 English medium classes starts. Those people who purchase before 8th February, their validity starts from 8th February onwards only. Suppose if a student purchases any package on 12th February, their validity starts from 12th February onwards only. So I think I am very clear about explaining the validity period, no confusions. If you still have any doubts, any queries, feel free to call us on 950-443333 number or 7569-447777. Our staff will help you in clearing your doubts. Or else you can even email us at online.sridharcc@gmail.com. Our faculty or our staff will guide you, will help you, and they will clear all your queries. I wish you all the very best and thank you very much.